Alright, hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. I really hope you guys enjoy this one. If you want to see how I got my brows, just click this link right here. And if you want to see how I got my foundation, click this link right here. So those two links will open up a new window for you, so you can go ahead and click those, put those videos on pause, or you can go and watch them now, whichever you prefer, and then continue to this makeup tutorial or come back to this makeup tutorial. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this one. I absolutely love it. It's extremely colorful, very nice, very out there in your face, and just how I said at the end of the video, I'll say now, whenever you're going to purchase your Lena lashes, that's the lashes that I use today, use the code LYRICMUA and that will automatically give you 10% off on your order. Alright you guys, so I'll talk to you in my next video.
So lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, now switch and we not serve a different God. Tell them we beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. Listen, all of you beat them bad. Every tune you put out a street them bad. And safe, every bone in my body. Tell them say God Almighty a my daddy. Me praise God like say that a my hobby. Never can trick my virgin them neither me. Holy Spirit a dwell inside of me. Make Satan show up and think a five of me. I want real survive of me. Escape enemy choppy coming like say I'm a guy for me and me. Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, now switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune you put out a street them bad. One man, me no God a guide me. No one man, you fi try avoid me. Devil can't see my blessing and try rob me. Cause me beat them bad like Sly Robbie. Hold on there, oh me can't see no sign of the devil. Him a fi cut through bone finally. Me have the victory finally. So our shadows of the field fi show up in my valley. Cause lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, now switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune you put out a street them bad. Me are the head and not the tail. For me the both evil will not prevail. Now sell out my soul is not for sale. So Satan can't even stop for heal. Me are the head and not the tail. For me the both evil will not prevail. Now sell out my soul is not for sale. Me lyrics, me live it, me spit it. And my lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, now switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune you put out a street them bad. And save every bone in my body. Tell them say God Almighty a my daddy. Me praise God like say that a my hobby. Never can trick my virgin them neither me. Holy Spirit a dwell inside of me. Make Satan show up and think a five of me. I want real survive of me. Escape enemy choppy for me like say I'm a guy for me and me. Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, now switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune you put out a street them bad. Beat them bad. Hey boy, represent. God bless. Praising God. I am boy DJ. We praising God. The man the amazing God. Praising God. All of the ones of the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. In the sky we're praising God. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them and we gonna wait. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them and we gonna wait. God will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where. Lead like a fast car, speed like a NASCAR. Yes, I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping what car. Them they want see me up in that car. Up with the bike pull over me stop in that car. It's like them want see me back in that car. And I spanner every cent for me have. But in a life you know say me top in that car. Them watching the news we see that him got star. And they be no disappointed just because me anointed. Them see that him got far. Tell them the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan guys like say mother raised him bad. So we gonna live till the Lord is all on it. We don't need no marijuana way. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live till the Lord is all on it. We don't need no marijuana way. God will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check way. God of the solid rock and it's me I will stay on it. Anytime when you check you know me there on it. Right before me got me bed before me lay on it. Me go down on my knees and you me pray on it. No me not take the Lord praise and be Satan it. Why? Cause me no evil, me no Satan it. On the broad road no me not go straight on it. Check the narrow road and you see the tape on it. Cause when they not give me one heap of taste and one heap of trial, he bless me and me get tape on it. Once upon a time I was a shy guy on stage, but now we might tell me what we say on it. Cause you are the potter, so watch ya mold me life like say me have clay on it. Lord show me what is real love, and me can't walk away from it. Till them so we gonna live, till them Lord is all on it. We don't need no marijuana way, Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live, till them Lord is all on it. We don't need no marijuana way, God will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check way. Lead like a fast car, speed like an NASCAR. Yes, I am a real African star. So me ask them what, me stopping what for them. Jaja, hey no, Jaja. This jam I say all the old youths say man of a prison, no sign. Jaja, oh Jaja. So I want you alone to preach. Jesus Christ, all of the people them will beseech. Each and every one, understand when me a teach. Yeah, me know. Me and the Lord go way back like a tape recorder. At the age of me name and Jesus and my father. And him feed me and make me fat and me no maga. And he make me life so easy and it coulda harder. So anywhere me go me big up for me Jaja. And him a give me strength like me phone pan a charger. I know me nah go left and go over the border. Cause closer to me is the Lord more than my brother. Me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the most and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the most high. Don't try. Any man deny the God, me no say him no sober. And Jesus Christ me say I represent Jehovah.
I use my Jordana blush in 40 Tender Rose. That color right there, and I also used my e.l.f. Turks and Caicos blush and contouring blush and bronzer, and I used this side. Also, I don't know if you're seeing like a golden hue there. I used my this side, and this is from my sleek makeup contour kit, and this kit is in dark. For my lips, I am wearing Jordana's baby doll lipstick, and it's like $1 on cherryculture.com. To line my lips, I use Miss Collige number 208. It's just this color. I'm looking around to see what else I used, but it's just this color here. And that's it basically. Yeah. Oh, and my Lena lashes, these are in Sasha. These are one of my favorite. If you use, whenever you're going to purchase your Lena lashes, if you use the code LYRICMUA, LYRICMUA, then you automatically get 10% off. So go ahead and utilize that code. And yeah, that is it for this makeup tutorial. Really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.